Hi friends, welcome back to Featherswood. In today's episode, we'll be seeing one more exotic aviary farm. That's AKY Exotic Birds Farm. Okay, so this AKY Exotics has wide varieties of high mutation birds, which can be helicopter budgies or show budgies, or anything after sun conures. So they are very much passionate about sun conures and small conures, and when it comes to their quality, it's outstanding, guys. So there is no compromise in quality, and if you wanna have some good conures, then yeah, definitely you can either visit AKY farms, or you can directly speak with the landlord who is running this, and I'll be sharing their number in description box. So guys, this farm is very unique from the farms which I have visited, and which I'll be uploading in the coming days. The way he take care of the birds, and the soft food what he provides, and especially with the seed mix. So this is very much unique from the people raise, and bring up the quality in their aviary. So without making much delay, let's speak with AKY Exotic creator, and then let's go inside the farm. So friends, without making much delay, let's speak with Karthik and know more about his aviary and what type of birds he has. So Karthik, Pani. Hi Karthik.
Hi, bro.
So Karthik, from when did you start, taking birds, hobbyist as seriously, and what made you to bring up with very unique and exotic birds?
Yeah, actually, I started this 5 years back. I bought first time as two pairs of lovebirds. So in that only I grown up. So as of now, I have some of the exotics like small canoes, large canoes, showbudgies, helicopters. So I have as of now.
Okay. So what type of mutations in small corners you have?
Small canoes I have so blue cinnamons, blue pineapple, blue green chick, blue yellow shaded, and in green series yellow shaded conure, so red factor pineapple conures, hyper red factor pineapple conures I have, and I have some sun conures also. I have some.
Okay. So guys, without making much delay, we'll go inside the farm and let's see the birds, what he has and what type of collections he has.
Hi guys, welcome to AKY Exotic Farms. So I'll go through one by one, so you can just check. So this is a Sankanur pair. So this I got when actually it was in a 1 year old, and I got so first clutch in this, and this is also the 3 years old bird. So right now I got in a so actually 1 year so when it was in age. So this also I got second class. So this is the second class. I just show you that chicks. Yes, here is a chick, and three chicks I got in this. So this is the second clutch of this. And last one is very small one. So the next one is small canoes. In the small canoe varieties I have, it's a blue cinnamon pineapple. Sorry, it's a blue cinnamon canoe. It is around 1 year old. It's a male. I'm just waiting for the female of this. And the next cage we have so red factor pineapple conure. Red factor pineapple conure is in the egg now. So So the next one we are going to yellow serrate and pineapple conure. In this I got actually every throw will come around 6 out of 6 chicks. This clutch I have sold already. It will come almost all red factor yellow serrate conures in all the clutches I will get. And the next one I am going to the red factor pineapple conure. It is on the 6th now. It has laid 7 eggs, and for every clutches I will get around 5 to 6 chicks in each clutch. So this clutch I just want to try, so whether I can get 7 chicks or what. Now already 4 chicks are hatched, 3 eggs are there, 2 are fertile, and so actually I am not sure. So let's hope for the good. Here is a very naughty pair. It's having actually I got this around 4 months back itself. It is a very wild bird as of now. See how it will bite. And it is called double red factor pineapple conure. And if we come to this, it's a chick of hyper red factor. It's almost all in the mold thing. It is 4th month now. It's almost all it's having a more red from beak to the vent part. And the next, if you are going, it's blue series yellow shaded conure. It is also an adult pair, and this is also my new bird.